Okay, I am here with Ryan Coonerty, and Ryan, I am going to go through by memory some of the things I think you do for introduction. Okay, so you're an accomplished author, you are a professor, you are the originator, which we just talked about, of the Nexties, which is awesome. You are a former mayor of the city of Santa Cruz, and you are an entrepreneur, and you're an all-around icon of Santa Cruz County. Super excited to have you, but we're going to talk about something different today. We're going to talk about something very new, and that is, what is it? What are you now associated with?
I just became the executive director of Leadership Santa Cruz County.
Awesome. Okay, so what is that?
Leadership Santa Cruz County is almost a 40-year-old organization in Santa Cruz, and we're really dedicated to finding, training, and then empowering the next generation of leaders here. You sign up, it's a 9-month class, one Friday a month, and we are going to teach you about all aspects of our county and how to take your skills and passion for this community and turn them into action.
It is super cool. I've talked to so many people that found it such a life-changing experience. Those 9 weeks of committing to the Fridays, they've gone on to do so much other things. So love the organization, people love it, but why do you love it, and why did you decide to come on as executive director?
Yeah, it's a couple pieces. I mean, big picture is this county will thrive or struggle depending on the quality of our leadership. You can see this at every level in the world, and I am committed to finding 50 good leaders a year for the next 10 years, and those 500 people will transform our community, get us through tough times, maximize the opportunities, and it'll be a tremendous impact, I think.
Okay, so let's talk about that. Let's talk about those 50 people in 2024. Actually, I should ask, is that the year? So you're starting a new class. It's the 38th class, correct?
The new class will start in August of 2024 and run through June of 2025.
So how does somebody get involved? How does somebody apply? What's the process?
Sure. I'm going to ask you to go to leadershipsantacruz.org, fill out an application. We have scholarships available if the fee is too much for you. And we really want a broad-based group of people. We want the class to reflect this community in every way, shape, or form, demographically, economically, professionally. And we want to take that class and build a cohesive unit who's ready to take our county to the next level.
Okay, so I'll put a link at the bottom so everybody can click on the link, go to, to figure out how to apply. One last question, and I didn't prepare you for this,
Sure.
but what excites you about this class and the impact that you can have with them?
Yeah, I think I've had a privilege of serving this community in a lot of different ways over the years. And there are people who have helped me along the way when I needed it, when I wanted to push forward an initiative, when I needed to respond to a natural disaster. And I see this as my opportunity to give back. I think we can find an extraordinary group of people and give them the tools they need to shape the community for them and the next generation.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, I was thinking when I saw that you became the executive director, I was like, oh my goodness, did he even have to apply? I can imagine like the process when we're like, okay, looking at the application, Ryan Coonerty, like, okay, no application, yes, checked off. It is such a big win for Santa Cruz and Santa Cruz. So we're excited to have you. Again, if you want to apply, go to the link at the bottom of this video. And Ryan, thank you so much. We're really excited about it.
Thank you, Matthew, for all you do. I love the way you engage our community.
Well, thanks very much. Okay, have a great day, guys.